In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, we are going to talk about how to join groups in LinkedIn. Yes, guys, in the previous video, we have already talked about what are the benefits, why we should use or why we should join LinkedIn groups in order to uh, create good connections, potential connections, and have a good business using these groups available on LinkedIn platform. Right now, in this particular group, I'm going to show you how you can find out the best potential groups for your business and from your industry and from your niche, right? So let's directly jump into the LinkedIn platform and learn about this. Now guys, as you can see, we are in our LinkedIn platform. Now in order to find the option to join the group, you need to go to this for business option. Otherwise you can go to directly the network option as well. In network option, you will see the groups option where you will be able to see the groups in which you are mentioned, not mentioned, in which the groups in which you are added already, and even you can find new groups as well, right, from this section. But the proper way to go to the groups option is click on this for business option, and here you will be able to see the groups option, right? Click on this, and again you will drop, or basically you will land on this same particular option. Now here, as you can see, you will be able to see the groups you have already joined over here, and here in the requested option you will be able to see the groups in which you have sent a request. And once the admin or the managers and moderators check that you have sent a request, and if they approve your request, then you'll be become a part of this group, right? Otherwise, if you don't want to be in this group anymore, you can just withdraw your request from by clicking just withdraw button over here, and as you can see, successfully withdraw the request. This is how you can withdraw your request. Now if we talk about your groups option, here you will be able to see all the groups in which you are already added. Now the thing is, make sure one thing, that you are adding in the groups which are relevant to your industry and which are beneficial for you, right? Because there's no point of joining every group from different industry. There's no point, because if you do that, you will just end up having irrelevant traffic and not useful audience, right? So join groups who has same interest, same industry, right? Now here as you can see, I have joined 3 groups. Now this is the content writer connection. This is basically who is writer, and I am content writer. That's why I have joined these 2 groups, copywriter and content writer, right? Now here we do have 3 dot icon over here. If you want to get a link of this group so that you can send to your any other friend whom you want to join this group, so you can just copy the link and you can send this link to that particular friend. Right now, if you want to do some settings about this group, you can directly click on this update settings, and then the last video have leave this group option. If you want to leave this group, you can just click here and you are good to go. The group will be left. Right now here, as you can see, search other trusted communities that share and support your goals. So here you will be able to see a small button that says search. If you click on this, you'll be able to search the groups as per your interest. Right here you can write whatever you want to write. Let's say I'm writing digital marketing, right? Once I write digital marketing and hit the enter button, you will be able to see all the groups related to digital marketing, right? And hundreds of thousands of groups are here. As you can see, 100 pages are already here, and we got around 26,000 results, right? You will be able to see the members as well. This as you can see, this group has only 98 members, 97, 98, 97, 98. So around hundreds all these group have the members, because I'm in the 100 page of the search. So let me go back to the first page, and here you will be able to see the top groups in the industry, or you can say in this particular category. Like this digital marketing group has 2 million followers, members, then 1 million, 365k, sorry, 356 members, then 293 members, 293k, 293,000 members, then 216, 1 million members, 132, 115, 100k. So keep this thing in mind that joining these groups who has 2 million members, like this is a very big group, right? So joining these groups sometimes it becomes a bit hard because they evaluate your account, and if you are totally relevant, then they will accept your request, otherwise they will reject your request also, right? So keep this thing in mind that you are sending requests to the relevant groups only, and if you are sending relevant groups request to the relevant groups, definitely they will accept your request, right? So if you are trying to be non-relevant, that is just a kind of spammy thing, right? So avoid that thing. Now there's one more point, that how many requests you can send on a regular basis. So there's no any specific number, but what you can do is you can send 3 to 4 group request on a regular basis, right? Not go more than that, otherwise LinkedIn will refuse you to send new request, because if you send hundreds of requests on a daily basis, then LinkedIn will consider you as a spam, and definitely it will block your access to send new request, right? So do the healthy activities that you can send, that you send only 3 to 4 new group requests on a regular basis, and you'll be able to see all the requests in your group section over here, right? As I already told you, that if you click on groups, and here you'll be able to see all your groups, and here you can see the members as well. Like this one has a 1.4 million subscribers, then 276,000 members, 93,000 members, and here you'll be able to see the requested ones, right? So this is how you can join the groups, and even you can leave the groups as well. And I've already told you that what is the frequency of sending the group joining request, and what should be the mindset while sending the group request, right? Now in the next video we are going to show you how to create one group for you as well, because maybe you want to create your own group and you want to grow that group. So for that there is one procedure which you need to follow, right? So stay tuned for the next video, and let's wrap up this video here. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you find it useful, if you like it, you can just hit the like button and the share button. Also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.